Sub-Zero Technical prides itself on providing every customer the highest level of service and expertise. As a family-owned and operated business, we value prompt and reliable service. Our 24-hour service is provided to you 365 days a year. It's our way of giving you peace of mind for any heating, air conditioning, ventilation, or controls emergency you may have. We offer a wide range of expertise from residential and commercial service and installation to biopharmaceutical, building maintenance, even pool service and inspection. Let us put our 20 years of experience to work for you. Call Sub-Zero today.